After changing the configuration file and before implementing the attack, let's first get to know what is the IP of this website. So let me open another terminal and let me ping on this website. And don't forget that this is the website that I changed its IP. So whoever need or want to go to this website, he will go to a different IP. So let's see. Sorry. Control need to be just the website name. So this IP is 6989.31193. Okay, sounds good. While the Microsoft IP, if you remember, it was 200 and something. So I want you to make sure that you are distinguished between both of them. So Microsoft was 46, it starts with 46, okay? Microsoft 46, while this one is 69. So let's close this terminal and let's close this one as well. And now let's implement the attack. How can we implement the attack? We can do that in two different ways. We can use EtherCap, the graphical interface. But since we use the EtherCap graphical interface before, I will use the command line. Command line is more powerful, except the problem that as any command line, you need to memorize some switches. So this is the command, EtherCap minus capital T, that means graphical, because text line, because you remember graphical was minus capital G, minus Q, minus M, and then R, promote, and then minus capital P, which is the plug that it will use the file that we change, which is DNS spoofing and // So that means that he will implement this file to any traffic inside the network. So anyone inside the network, not just a specific machine like a previous scenario, but any computer on the network that need to go to this certifiedhacker.com, he will go to Microsoft website. So let's press that and let's wait until, yeah, it's activating. So now let's see if it has been applied or not. So what I'm going to do, I will go to my victim machine, Windows 7 or Windows 8 or any machine. And before testing that, we need to flush the IP information. I mean, sometimes you try to use this attack, but since there was some information inside the cache, so because if you type ipconfig / display, I think it was display DNS, display DNS or show DNS, I don't recall what was the comment, renew, release, there was a comment that showing the cache DNS, I think it was show DNS or display DNS. Let me just increase here. So my point was that sometimes the DNS information is cached into the memory, and according to that, yeah, display DNS. So let's do that. ipconfig / ipconfig / display DNS. I cannot find display. Okay, so what we'll do, just to make sure that all the cache information has been removed, I will type ipconfig / release to release this IP, and then ipconfig / renew. to request a new IP. And he got a new IP right now. And what we're going to do, it's, let's see, we will try to ping. Let's ping on www.certifiedhacker.com. Oh man, ping www.certifiedhacker.com. So let's see. I don't know if you notice or not, but you see the reply is coming from this IP 47.228 and the remaining of the IP. If you remember, this is Microsoft IP. So according to that, when you try to ping on certified hacker, you are getting to Microsoft webpage, Microsoft reply. So that means that we successfully changed the DNS. Now let's see if we browse certifiedhacker.com. Here you go, certifiedhacker.com. And let's put that into the browser. Paste. And let's see. I don't know why it's not showing any page, but as you see inside the ping, that the reply came back from Microsoft.com. Okay, let's Google it. I think there is a problem with this browser. Okay, I'm not sure, but I believe there is a problem in the browser. But as you can see, that the DNS has been changed, and a better like to confirm that this is a Microsoft website, let's take it to DNS lookup. DNS lookup will translate the IP to a name or a name to IP. So you can see which IP is that. And as you can see, it's Microsoft.com. So it has been changed. I was able to manipulate the DNS and I can apply that to all the network devices. Now, keep that in mind. And while we are taking the social engineering part, we're going to create a fake website. And we're going to put some payload inside that will allow us to compromise the system. And if you combine those two attacks together, you are taking the IP of this fake website and replace it with a right IP for Microsoft or Google or Facebook. So whoever go to this page will be redirected to your page automatically and you'll be getting access to the machine. So the attack is not completed yet. The attack will be completed once you take another part. But meanwhile, I want you to practice this DNS and I want you to test that on different operating systems using virtual machine. Do not use that in a production environment. So let's have Windows XP and Windows 7 and Windows 8 on different virtual machine and see which one will be manipulated or which one will not be, the DNS will not be manipulated. So this is a good exercise, and believe me, once you get that, besides the part in the social engineering for creating fake web page and putting some payload inside, you'll be able to do some amazing attack.